start disassembling the front clip today. At least attempt to. It looks like it's been put together with all kinds of hardware. Ridiculous. Even to get in there's gonna be a pain. It's put together with all odds and ends and crazy crap. That one. Grab a wrench that'll fit that. All the hardware after the fact, and keeping all the stuff off. Not even a head on it. There it is. Just pull it into the rubber. Wrench. Make it cute. Body work was done. Make stuff look pretty and stay on, but nobody made sure that it was safe. I mean, my son drove this car. My father-in-law drove this car on the road. I drove this car on the road. At any time, seeing what was done to this ticks me off. Beyond belief. Somebody would do this knowing that my son would possibly drive the car. side, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, nuts and bolts. We'll go ahead and knock these off and hop on the other side, and I'll get you guys back up here when we're ready to actually pull the nose off. I don't think I can get light in there to show you what I'm dealing with, but let me see what we got. I might be able to get you in there. Go down. Yeah, you can't really see, but along the fender there's bolts. So once I go ahead and get them out, I will be back with you guys shortly. Alright, YouTube Nation, back again. Ron here with RTR Gearheads. Just an update. Front clip actually came apart fairly easy. There was some things I realized that weren't quite how they were supposed to be, and I wish I would have known it a while ago. The fenders and the bumper cover or nose piece and the inner fenders are all going home. So they're not in the way when this motor and trans comes out, and we're trying to get the LS in. Real quick, I don't know how good of a picture we'll get here. If you notice, right here and right here, that's the left side of the core support, the driver's side of the core support, which is actually supposed to be one piece, like so. When we look in here, you can tell that this isn't, looks like somebody actually took and burnt a hole in there and made a makeshift bracket, which very well could explain why the left front was lower than the rest of the car. Alright, I just want to give you guys an update. Hopefully Friday or tomorrow, the motor and trans will be coming out of here, and then Monday now, I wanted to wait until Tommy got back. He's away right this second. I want to wait till he got back so we could actually go pick up the motor and trans, and then it's a matter of waiting. I did order a new radiator support. Didn't want to, but really didn't have a choice, because if it's apart, I mean, might as well go ahead and take care of it now while we have it apart instead of down the road. The inner fender wells we're going to pressure wash and try to see if we get them back to black. But again, it's Ron from RTR Gearheads, just giving you guys an update. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let us know what you think. Give us some ideas for future projects or the projects we're working on now. Right there is the light harness, and then all the hardware. These were the actual radiator support bushings. Already have a new set of those because we got a body mount bushing kit for it. So go ahead and, like I said, hit subscribe. Let us know what you guys think, and we'll have some more updates here shortly. Again, thanks for watching.